Assalamu alaikum my pretty viewers, Khushamdeed, hope you all are doing well. Today I have come up with the most famous Pakistani dessert called Zarda or Mutanjan. It's not just gonna be delicious but also very healthy with minimal ingredients. One of the luscious and tempting Pakistani desserts but with a twist. So let's get started. So the first step is to cook the rice. I have taken basmati rice and added a pinch of salt into it. Until the rice cooks. On the other side, I have taken a pan. To that I have added 4 tablespoons of ghee. Now I am gonna add crushed mixed dry fruits with watermelon seeds. So this not just gonna be delicious but also very nutritious. Stir it continuously for around 4 to 5 minutes until it is roasted completely and evenly on low to medium flame. Now after 4 to 5 minutes, the dry fruits are evenly roasted. You can see the raisins over there, it's puffed up. So now I'm gonna add grated coconut into it. So we're gonna roast this as well. Give it a good mix. Keep stirring it for around 4 to 5 minutes continuously on low to medium flame. Keep stirring it until it's golden brown. Now it's completely roasted. Now we're gonna transfer the mixture onto a plate. I have transferred it on a plate. We're gonna use this mixture later on. Now take the same pan and add a cup of water. To infuse the flavor and to get that pleasant aroma, I'm going to add in some spices into it, some green cardamom pods and 4 to 5 cloves. Here I have added 2 cardamom. You can add any spices of your choice. Now I'm going to add jaggery. I have taken big chunks of jaggery. You can, if you are in hurry, you can take jaggery sugar or crushed jaggery. The jaggery is completely melted and is infused with flavors. I have taken half kg of jaggery to the half kg of rice. It will be best if you take the equal quantity. Now the consistency should not be very thin, should not be very thick. It should be of average. It's still on the medium flame. Now take the coconut dry fruit mixture which we roasted it initially and transfer it completely into the jaggery syrup. Now it's time to give it a good mix. Stir it constantly until it's mixed completely. Stir it for around 3 to 4 minutes on low to medium flame. Oh my, it already looks so delicious. Now let's check the rice. It is 80% cooked. This is what we wanted. And I'm gonna switch off the flame and take some of the rice into 2 different bowls. First I'm taking some rice, some white rice into 1 bowl. Then again I'm gonna take another bowl. And add in some white rice just into dessert bowls. We're gonna use it later. Now these were the bowls which we have taken the white rice into. Now I'm gonna add some yellow food color into our water and pour this water on one of the bowls and mix it well. Now I'm going to do the same thing to the other bowl but with different color. I have taken green color for the other bowl. Mix it well. Look at the tempting colors. Now I'm gonna add white rice over the jaggery mixture. I'm not gonna mix it at this point, but I'm just gonna cover it with the white rice. I'm gonna cover the jaggery mixture completely with the white rice. Just spread it over the mixture completely. Cover it up with white rice and we're gonna let it for 2 to 3 minutes. Now this is the most important step we have to take care while we are mixing the rice. Now I'm just gonna spread it around, and this is the way. Look at the way I'm doing it. Just take it from the down and put it over the rice, and again from the down put it over the rice. This is the way we're gonna mix it so that we don't end up breaking the rice grains. This is the most important step in making the zarda. In my opinion, the best zarda is which has a long, separate and firm grains, and it shouldn't be mushy or overly softened rice. So look at the grains, it's firm and long. So after cooking it for 3 to 4 minutes, I'm gonna layer it with multicolored rice. So I'm layering it with green colored rice here. So the twist is basically zarda or mutanjan is made with sugar syrup, but I have used jaggery here. I have replaced it with jaggery because jaggery is healthier than sugar, and also jaggery is a natural sweetener, and it is also an energy food. So it's always better to opt for healthy food. So this was the twist, and I'm layering it with yellow rice. At this point you can also add powdered cardamom, khoya or confetti. It will be more colorful. Now I'm gonna add some white rice also. Just drizzle it over the colored rice. Now after this we're gonna cover the pot for around 5 minutes so that it gets that aroma or the taste. So I'm gonna cook this on a low to medium flame. Ta-da! So zarda or mutanjan is ready to be served. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. I'll be really happy if you subscribe to my channel, share and comment, and also don't forget to check out my other recipes. So this was one of the favorite dessert of Mughul Emperor Shah Jahan. I really hope you're gonna try at least once. Share your experiences by dropping a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe. I'm really glad you joined in. Thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna see you soon with a new recipe. Until, take care.